What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm coming to you from my village. I woke up a few minutes ago and I wanted to bring you guys to the place where they're milking the cows, but by the time I was waking up it was already done. And I'm actually wearing my workout outfit. So anyway, the last time I took a break from the gym I really suffered a lot. Like by the time I was going back it was so much, like I was in pain. And so today I want to do like 1,000 skips before I do anything. By the time I was waking up, my mom and my aunt were already up. So at least I'll have this. I'll do the skips and then I'll go for breakfast after. But welcome to our village. And this woman is ready to be a village girl for this weekend, like a proper village girl. I was raised in this home, so The grass is green in this compound. Wow. This side no houses. Yep. Our main focus is that banana is what you're trying to remove. Once you jack all these things from the from the banana stem, you have to put them on the sun to dry. I mean the liquid to dry first. So that's what's happening here. Good people, like I've been working ever since, yes. So I'm still working. So tired. Oh my god. Guess who is fresh from shower? I am. Yeah, we are fresh from shower. We're feeling good and we're going to eat our, what do you call this? No, we're not going to eat. We're going to lick our pin pops. So good people, imagine I'm the one who cleaned this entire compound, starting from the gate to my grandma's house up there. And right now I think I just deserve to rest. For sure. Good morning, good people. Welcome to another day. Yes, my cousins came yesterday and we've been having a lot. Like we've been doing a lot. And then today we have a function over here. So there's just so much happening. I'm going for breakfast and we're going to have it together. And we've been trying to fix the graveyard up there where my sister and my other people are coming from. There's music playing, so I have to stop this video here, but you're going for breakfast. These are sweet potatoes, then these ones are, by the way, are cassava fries, and then we have some mandazis. The function is going on and right behind me, there where you can see, and then on this other side we have my cousins and then my niece. That's my niece right there.
The Gospel of John chapter 10.
Meet my
verse 12 verses 11.
Say hey.
Yes.
Hi. I'm having lunch right now. Of course with my cousin, the one I was with yesterday. And we are enjoying our meals. She's having ugali and matumbo. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, great people. It's another day. Yes, we're still here in the village. Great people. These trees that you're seeing over here, we did plant with a cousin of mine, and I'm so happy that at least I came and I found them all grown. Like, they grew so fast. It's so amazing. This was us planting these trees. That was back in 2018, I think around August, because I checked on my IG and I found the picture. But now there are some like these ones that I think have stunted growth, or I don't know, but they're not growing. This one is not growing. This one is not growing. And can you imagine we planted them at the same time? We planted this one and this one at the same time, same day. And yeah, so I'm amazed like how these trees are growing. And that is something that I'm passionate about. I like. So this is my hard work.
Take it slow, where you go, I go too.
So this trip is over, and right now I'm inside a Nissan. I'm going to Kisumu, and yeah, I'm leaving. So I'm just from my village. As you can see, they're taking COVID precautions. Seat next to me is blank, like there's no one sitting. When you check on the front side, like it's a bit empty. So they're just trying to be careful with this COVID thing. So we are on my way to Kisumu. Great people, I'm finally in Kisumu and it's hot as usual. Yep. I'm waiting for a cab to come here to pick me up. I'm at the stage, I think that's what they call it. Stage, yes. And it's just too hot over here, like it's crazily hot.
Sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we're falling down. Let's take it slow, where you go,
I'm going to link up with a friend of mine, and I'm bringing you along.
I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Meet my friend. Imagine we used to be in the same high school. Oh, we are having lunch at a place called the Vic Hotel. Yes. And I'm having fish. I mean, there's no way you can come to Kisumu without having fish and leave Kisumu without having fish.
We gotta be. You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
We're very close to Nairobi right now. Down there you can see Ngong Hills. Okay, I just saw Ngong Hills. I don't know if you guys can see. I saw it, but now whatever I'm seeing right now, I don't think the hills are able to be seen, but that's what we passed. Yeah, so we are getting closer and closer back to this city. Oh my god.
Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Great people, I'm back in my house and I just want to leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was an amazing trip, and yeah, I think we'll meet again next time. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and until next time, good people, kisses to you.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.